Why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth, success, and happiness into their lives. Perhaps it's not as mystical as it may appear. The secret may lie in the power of belief, a concept well explored by Rhonda Byrne in her captivating book, The Secret. Byrne reveals that the universe is like a cosmic catalog, waiting for us to place our orders through our thoughts and beliefs. If we believe we deserve something, we send out that positive energy, and the universe responds in kind, manifesting our desires into reality. However, the opposite is also true. Negative beliefs, those pesky doubts and uncertainties, keep us stuck, preventing us from reaching our true potential. But here's the good news. We have the power to change our beliefs, to shift our focus from what we don't want to what we truly desire. Believe it or not, the key to unlocking this power lies within us, in our very own thoughts and beliefs. Chapter 1. Our beliefs really create our reality. Beliefs shape our reality and dictate our interactions, and they're rooted deeply within us, influenced by our upbringing, experiences, and societal conditioning. They are a result of our childhood conditioning, societal norms, and personal experiences, and can often lead to limiting behaviors and patterns. But remember, our beliefs are not absolute truths. They are merely programmed responses and can be changed. The key to this transformation is awareness. Recognizing these limiting beliefs, understanding their origin, and acknowledging their impact on our lives is the first step towards change. But how can we bring about this change? Let's look at Rhonda Byrne's journey. Byrne, the author of The Secret, had a limiting belief that money was scarce, often leading her into financial instability. She decided to change this deeply ingrained belief. She used strategies such as affirmations, visualization, gratitude, and reframing bills as checks. Her journey illuminates the transformative power of positive beliefs and how the universe responds to an attitude of abundance. It's a brave new world for those who dare to believe in abundance, even in the face of adversity. If you're finding value in this video, please subscribe. Chapter 2. Focus on what you want and don't pay attention to what you don't want. Manifestation isn't a one-time effort, it's a way of life. This statement is not only true, but it's also the key to unlocking your full potential. Your desires are not just fleeting thoughts or whimsical dreams. They are the guiding forces of your life. And to truly harness the power of these desires, you need to focus on them daily, with discipline. Picture your desires as the sun. Each morning the sun doesn't merely rise, but it illuminates the world, casting away the darkness and bringing life to everything it touches. Similarly, your desires should be the first thing you focus on when you wake up. This is why getting up early is so crucial. It gives you the quiet and solitude you need to truly connect with your desires. But focusing on your desires isn't just about thinking about them, it's about embodying them. This is where meditation comes in. By meditating, you can create a clear mental image of your desires. You can feel them, touch them, and live them, even before they become a reality. This process of visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting your desires. Equally important is maintaining a clean diet. Just as you are what you eat, your thoughts are a reflection of what you consume. A clean diet not only nourishes your body but also your mind, making it easier for you to focus on your desires. Now let's talk about the reticular activating system, or RAS. This is the part of your brain that acts as a filter, deciding what information to focus on and what to ignore. By consciously focusing on your desires, you're essentially telling your RAS that these desires are important. And when something is important to your brain, it will do everything it can to achieve it. So remember, your desires are not just dreams. They're the blueprint of the life you want to lead. And to make them a reality, you need to focus on them consistently and consciously. You need to make them a part of your daily routine, your thoughts, and ultimately, your life. What you focus on expands, so choose your focus wisely. Chapter 3. Visualize the result, but also the path that will take you to it. How we visualize our goals and talk to ourselves plays a crucial role in our journey of manifestation. Visualization is more than just picturing the end goal. It's about visualizing the bridge that connects our current state with our desired one. It's about imagining the process, the challenges, the victories, and the growth that comes along the way. This not only prepares us for the journey but also trains our mind and nervous system to better handle the challenges, making us less resistant to them when they arise. But visualization is just one piece of the puzzle. Another key component is the way we talk to ourselves. Our internal dialogue has a profound impact on our beliefs and actions. If we constantly tell ourselves that we are not good enough or that we can't achieve our goals, we start believing it. this negative self-talk becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. The good news is that we can change this narrative. We can use positive affirmations and self-talk to reinforce our belief in our abilities and our worth. We can tell ourselves that we are capable, that we are deserving, that we are enough. This positive self-talk can help us overcome doubts and fears and empower us to take the necessary steps towards our goals. Remember, the reticular activating system in our brain acts as a filter, allowing us to focus on certain things and ignore the rest. It lets through things that we consider important. So if we repeatedly affirm positive beliefs about ourselves, our brain will start looking for evidence to confirm these beliefs. It's also important to treat ourselves with kindness. Self-love is not just about feeling good about ourselves, it's about respecting our journey, acknowledging our efforts, and being patient with our growth. After all, we are all works in progress. So let's start visualizing not just our goals, but the journey towards them. Let's start talking to ourselves with kindness and positivity. Let's start believing in our potential and our worth. Because remember, what we believe, we manifest. Life is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and be kind to yourself. Now is your turn. Share this video with someone who is important to you, which will make you feel good about helping others, and this in turn will trigger a cycle of gratitude and attracting positive things to you. Chapter 4. Make the daily habit and be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to changing our beliefs and manifesting our desires. It's not a sprint, but a marathon, a daily commitment to shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance, from self-doubt to self-love, and from negativity to positivity. So, what's the secret sauce to this transformation? It's establishing a daily routine that helps train your mind to focus on the good, the positive, and the abundant. Think of it as mental conditioning, much like how you would condition your body with regular exercise. Start your day early with a moment of quiet meditation. This practice clears the mental clutter and sets the tone for the day. Follow this with affirmations, positive statements that help you overcome self-sabotaging negative thoughts. Visualize your desires, not only the end goal, but the journey, the bridge that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. And don't forget to nurture your body with a clean diet, for a healthy body houses a healthy mind. Remember Rhonda Byrne's story? She reprogrammed her beliefs about money through affirmations, visualization, and practicing gratitude. She dared to dream big, and in return the universe rewarded her with unexpected abundance. And let's not forget about the reticular activating system, our brain's very own bouncer. It lets in what we consider important, so let's make sure we feed it with positivity and self-love. Chapter 5. Attract everything you want. Do you want to attract happiness, wealth, love, or something else? Stay with us to know how. Diving into the wisdom of Rhonda Byrne, a renowned thought leader, we uncover a different perspective. She professes that while we may not be able to control the external circumstances around us, we have absolute control over our internal thoughts and faculties. A pretty powerful assertion, don't you think? But what does this really mean? In the face of adversity, it's easy to fixate on the negative news, to let fear and doubt creep in and cloud our judgment. But Rhonda encourages us to pivot our focus. Instead of allowing these negative elements to consume us, we are nudged to channel our energies towards our talents and abilities. When the world seems to be spiraling out of control, it's essential to remember that your mind is a sanctuary, a place where you can cultivate positive thoughts and foster resilience. This is where your true power lies. It's not about ignoring the realities of the world, but about choosing not to be overwhelmed by them. Rhonda's philosophy goes even deeper, emphasizing the importance of understanding oneself, both physically and intellectually. She explains that our bodies are instruments of our minds, holding an immense potential energy. It's crucial to stay focused on our dreams and not get swayed by external influences that may try to shut us down. This process isn't just about dreaming, it's about feeling the emotions before the experience, aligning our energy with the quantum field through a clear intention and elevated emotion. This is where the heart comes in, informing the brain when it's safe to create, leading to coherent brainwave patterns and the manifestation of our desires. It's a fascinating journey of self-discovery and empowerment, one that can transform not just our perception of the world but our place in it. Remember, it is not the external circumstances but your internal thoughts and faculties that determine your destiny. Now let's recap what we've learned today. We've explored the power of belief, how our beliefs originate, and how we can change negative beliefs. We've delved into the importance of focusing on our desires and the role of visualization and self-talk. And finally, we've discussed the significance of a daily routine in training our mind to focus on positivity, self-love, and abundance. Join us in this journey of personal development and continue to learn more by clicking on our next video. Remember, your beliefs are powerful, so choose them wisely.